Hello and welcome students. Today we will learn about excretory system of human body. So as we know, human urinary system is the main excretory system of human body. So we will see about the first about the diagram of human urinary system. First we will see diagram of the human excretory system. As we know, the kidneys are the main unit of the urinary unit of the human body. Kidneys are about 12 centimeter long and they are bean shaped. These tube-like structure that are connecting with the kidney, they are known as ureters. They carry urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Here you can see this sac-like structure. It is bladder and this small tube with opening, it is known as urethra. These are blood vessels which bring blood to the kidney and carry out blood from the kidney to different parts of the body which carry clean blood. Both the blood vessels are going both sides. Now we will label the diagram. As we know, this kidney shaped organ is known as bean shaped organ is known as kidney. These are kidneys and these are two in numbers, and these tube-like structure which you can see easily, they are connected to the kidney from one side and from other side they are connected with urinary bladder. So these tube-like structure are known as ureters, and this sac-like structure, this is known as urinary bladder. And this small tube with the opening with a small hole, you can see, this is known as urethra. Actually this is a opening that do the work to send the waste product that collect here. Now we will understand about the functioning of the, or we can say working of the urinary system. So in the kidneys, inside the kidneys there are millions of nephrons are present. Actually, nephrons are the filters. They are filtering unit. They are main organ of the kidney. They filter the blood. They take out waste products from the blood and pure the blood, or we can say clean the blood. After taking out waste product from the blood, they send waste product. That waste product, mainly waste product is urea, which is collected through the these ureters. They are collected in the urinary bladder. Waste product means urea and water, that is extra water. This is also a waste water. It is also, both the product are collect here. To understand working, first we should know the blood. Blood brings to the kidney with the renal artery. It comes here, and here filtering units, that is nephrons. Nephrons are present here. We should show here nephrons. These are nephrons. These are main filtering units of the kidneys. They do main work of filtering. So blood bring to the kidney by renal artery, and actually you can see here there are two types of tubes are going along with the this system. So one of them is renal artery and one is renal vein. So blood bring to the kidney. So blood brings waste to the kidney through renal artery and it is filtered here. After that it is sent out, cleaned blood sent out from the kidney through the renal vein. And you can see here these are renal artery and veins together. And after filtering, waste product is urea and water. So these waste products are collected in the urinary bladder through the ureters. Both the ureters collect here urine, and urine consists of 95% urea. Urine consists of 95% water, 2% urea and 3% other waste products. Urine that is collected in urinary bladder is sent out from the body through urethra. Kidneys of an adult produce 1 to 2 liter urine per day, and this urinary bladder expand and can hold 0.5 or we can say half liter of the urine at the time. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with the new topic. Till then, bye bye.